Well, hello! We have finally landed at our very festive Christmas recipe. Panettone, or Panettone if you are really Australian. I cannot get enough of Panettone at Christmas time. Some people absolutely hate them, and I think it's because they've been gifted so many of them that have gone so stale that they can't see anything to do with them. So, what I have done today is sort of troll the internet to see what recipes are out there. Lots of bread and butter puddings, lots of French toast, lots of other bits and pieces where you add lots of liquids and things to make it more tasty and hide the fact that it's stale panettone. But we are going to take a fresh panettone. I mean, you can see from the title, we're making panettone Swiss roll. Into our mixing bowl goes half a cup of heavy cream and 4 tablespoons of icing sugar. Whip until we're at soft peaks. Once we're at soft peaks, we're going to add 250 grams or a tub of mascarpone cheese. Whip together until combined. Remember to give your bowl a little bit of a scrape down in between. Once they have got to know each other, we are adding 4 tablespoons of our store-bought lemon curd and 1 tablespoon of limoncello. Mix it up. Now that our filling's done, it's pretty much the time to cut and roll this thing up, which is an under 7-minute video for me. It's a Christmas miracle. Now for the kind of tricky part. We're going to peel our panettone. Now using a lovely big bread knife, we're going to try and carve a lovely continuous ring out of this. Well, it's more like a big slice. Twisting, turning, shining, shimmery, splendid. I mean, it makes me anxious that my hand is quite close to the knife as well, so don't worry. Ooh, she's long. What I might do with this is cut it in half because then I'll roll 2 sides and then we'll join it to make one pretty log. And now we're going to fill our inner layer. Spread that out nice and evenly with our spatula, bearing in mind that when we do roll it up, a bit of it's going to squish out the sides, so don't go right to the edge. And now we're going to roll. Swiss roll. Oh yeah. Pop this to the side while we do our second. Slice off our ends. Once you've tidied up your ends and you've cleaned up your board a little bit, you can slip some of that panettone casing back under there very decoratively so everybody knows what exactly we are eating here. Stunning. She's beauty, she's grace. And like any good Italian dessert at Christmas time, a lovely dusting of icing sugar. And that hides the colour difference. It's very Yule log. What is a Yule log? I could probably look it up, but I do not know. I just heard Yule log used many times around this time of the year, and I will just eat it now and we'll move on from that Yule log thing. Good. Great. This smells so good. See, you can't go wrong with these flavours. Limoncello, mascarpone, panettone, all the other ones. You could do this same idea with the chocolate panettones. You could change the filling, you could put whatever you want in there, but I think that it looks very festive, and I think I'm the first to do a panettone Swiss roll. I haven't seen it anywhere else, so I'm claiming it here first. So if anybody comes to my gig, here. It started here. On Christmas. Thank you for watching today's video, and thank you for watching all of my videos for the past year, because it's pretty much marked 1 year since I started this channel, which has been very nice. I believe I started with a Christmas... Oh, my actual first cooking video was a sort of Christmassy background themed one where I made my Gaytime Tiramisu thing, which is a golden Gaytime Tiramisu. If you didn't catch the joke there, it was a joke. Like always, you will find your ingredients and quantities down in the description below. Please like and share this video, get very festive, and I will see you all in 2019. Merry Christmas!